Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I installed this pumpkin spice wig that I got from Unice. And I don't typically do installs, I usually just kind of put the wigs on and pin them down or use the combs. But today I decided I'm gonna do like an actual ball cap method, which I only do every so often because I like to take my wigs off and, actually take care of my hair underneath and everything. That's kind of the whole point of me wearing wigs, is to take care of my hair underneath and just use them as a protective style, and also so I don't have to damage my hair to style it. But anyway, this is all the stuff that came in the box with the wig. I got some wig caps, I got some hair clips, which are always handy, and I actually needed more of them, so thanks. And I got some extremely large lashes that I'll probably never use, and I got a little silk scarf. So after I went ahead and applied the ball cap, I stretched it as far down as I felt like it should go. Then I went ahead and applied some Gorilla Glue. I tried to put it not on my hairline, like just below it, because I didn't want this to rip out my hair. So that's what I did. I don't know how everybody else does it. I've seen a lot of people put it like right on their hair. I don't like to do it like that. So anyway, I put it just before my hairline, and I added some Got2b glue. I let the Gorilla Snot gel kind of dry down a little bit first, and then add the Got2b. And I know other people are a lot smoother at doing this than I am, but hey, I only do this every so often. So I went ahead and used my blow dryer to dry that down a bit, and actually that blow dryer like died in the middle of me doing that, so I had to switch to a second blow dryer. So, starting off to a great start. And after all that was dry, I went ahead and cut around that with my scissors, and actually ended up nicking one of my ears when doing this. So another reason why I don't do this very often. It's not for me, but I tried. So this is what my ball cap looks like. Yeah. Anyway, let's move on to the wig, because that's what we're here for. So this is what the wig looks like. It's really cute. I really like it actually. And it's actually a lot brighter than this. I don't know why it's showing up darker than what it actually is on this camera, but this is what it actually looks like. This is the actual color of it, and it's not as bright as that other wig I got from Love Me. It's actually a more doable color. Like that Love Me hair was orange, very orange. This one is a nice kind of like a deeper orange, so it's nice. I really like it. I just don't understand why it's showing up as like a brownish red orange on camera, when in actuality it's a lot brighter than this. But anyway, this is what it looks like when first putting it on. This is my first time ever putting this on. I've had this for a while, almost a year, but not quite a year. I want to say like 8 months or so. I've had it in my closet. I just haven't had time to, put it on or anything. And it seemed more like a fall sort of color, so I waited. Anyway, I added more gel, Gorilla Snot gel, to the top of the wig cap and also into the inner lace of the wig. I didn't go inside the wig and add foundation like I usually do. I kind of just thought about that, but I will once I pluck it and then add it on the top. But yeah, I just thought about that. I usually add foundation on the inside of the wig cap, but I was in a rush, honestly. I was getting ready to go to a pumpkin patch, so I had to like hurry up and do this within 30 minutes, so I really didn't think about it. But anyway, this is a 13 by 4. I usually prefer a 13 by 6, but that wasn't even an option for this wig, as you saw. So yeah, it is what it is. I made it work. And as you can see, it comes with a middle part, which I don't do middle parts. They don't look good on me. I don't care for them. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like them on me. They look great on other people. They do not look good on me. So, knowing me, I had to go in and do a side part, because that's what I do. I do side parts. Side parts look great on me. So, went ahead, parted the hair using multiple combs. And I like to pluck the hair while it's on my head rather than on a mannequin or anything, just so it's like I'm doing it exactly where I would want it to lay and there's no confusion, because I feel like mannequin heads are a lot smaller than my actual head, so they're not gonna lay exactly the same. So anyway, I like to pluck them while they're on my head. Just be careful, because I have like been a little too aggressive before and it was like not good. Anyway, as you can see, the hair is very nice, very fluffy. It came with some curls. It's very cute. And it has highlights. I really like that too. It's not like one flat color, it has highlights in it. So I went in and tried to smooth out that bump using my flat iron. This helps a little bit, not that much. And I went in with some mousse, which helped a little bit more. I have better mousse in my bathroom. I don't know why I grabbed that one. I think it was like one of the first ones I saw, so I grabbed that one. And also, I didn't want a stiff hold. I kind of wanted like a loose hold, and I know that mousse isn't very stiff. That's why I grabbed that one, because I did see the other ones. Anyway, smooth that out a bit. I really didn't want to add like too much to this wig. Like, I didn't want to add too much product to it. I wanted it to still be pretty light, pretty fluffy, you know? And not just like weighed down with chemical, like product and stuff. So anyway, I went in, started doing just a little bit of curls. And I let the curling iron sit on this for about 15 seconds. And I just kind of counted it in my head. And then I hold the curls for about 10 to 15 seconds in my hand before letting go. And I just did this for a few, mostly around the face area, to get that nice, you know, put together look. Make it look like I actually tried, you know? Even though I'm just going to a pumpkin patch. I'm getting ready like I'm going on a date or something. It was a pumpkin patch for kids. Anyway, I really just wanted to wear this wig. And I'm trying to be more consistent, and it was like the perfect time for this wig as well. Like, it's Halloween, it's fall, it's, you know. It's all about the pumpkin spice. It was perfect timing. It curls really nicely, and it actually holds the curls really well without product. I didn't add any product when curling this. Like I said, I was in a rush and I didn't want to weigh it down. First of all, because it looks a lot better than I thought it would. Alright, so I am back. I went to a pumpkin patch. I'm wearing pumpkin earrings and I'm wearing a pumpkin sweater dress with pumpkin orange hair. Kind of. Pumpkin spice. Anyway, so this is the hair after 5 or 6 hours or so. So yeah, I like it. Pros and cons. It's a 13x4, which I really don't like. I usually like a 13x6 and focus. Yeah, I usually like a 13x6, and this is a 13x4. it came with a middle part already, which is why this hump is right here, and I can't seem to get it to go away. Because the middle part is like right here that they created. And I don't know what they did to make it lay like that. But it's weird. I've been trying to get this to lay flat all day. I think I need to get one of those wax sticks or something. I do have some wax under my cabinet I can try. I really didn't want to use wax in it because I like it kind of light and fluffy and not with a whole bunch of product in it. But, I mean, if I have to use wax, I have to. I'm thinking about wearing this to work tomorrow. I don't know. Thinking about it. Partly because I don't really feel like taking it out and it's kind of really stuck on there. So I don't know. I'm probably gonna wear it tomorrow for the rest of the week. I usually don't change my hair. If I wear it one day, I usually wear it throughout the rest of the week. So I probably will, especially since this is the week of Halloween. So why not? Who cares? I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. It's really cute. I like it. I like the color and everything. It looks darker on camera than what it actually is. I wish like it was just a little bit darker in real life. But it's not bad at all. It's definitely not the color of that other wig I got from Love Me Hair, which was like a bright ass orange, fire hydrant orange. But this is a lot better. I just wish it was like a little bit darker, just a tad bit. But I really like it. I really like the highlights in it. It's not all just one flat color. And the hair is very, very soft. There was some shedding, of course, and there was like a slight scent. But the scent is gone now. The smell. The shedding is still minimal. There's minimal shedding. And it holds curls well. Like, these are the curls that, most of these curls are the curls it came with. I added a few more, as you saw in the video. But yeah. And they're holding up pretty well. I didn't add any product or anything either to hold the curls in. I just kind of did it. Because I wasn't too pressed about it, if they stayed or not. But yeah, I like it. And I like the contrast with my eyebrows too. I'm not going to color my eyebrows or dye my eyebrows or anything like that. That's not me. I like my eyebrows to be bold and stand out. And they definitely do that. So, yeah. Altogether, I like it. I got this wig a while ago. Like, sometime around this year. No, sometime maybe 6 months ago or so. I got it after fall. That's why I didn't install it. Like, that's why I never really tried it on or anything. Because it was after fall and I was like, whatever. But it is a really good fall color. It's also really a summer color as well. But so anyway, yeah. Thanks for watching. See you next time.